Hi there, today I will be talking about what is n8n. So let me explain what is this thing. That's why I get the help of ChatGPT. And here you can see, I write, what is n8n? And here is the breakdown of n8n by the ChatGPT, but I will show you the main thing. It can allow users to build complex workflow by connecting different nodes like database and APIs, and also this platform supports numerous integration with popular services like Google Sheets, Slacks, and many other. Now, the main uses of this thing are for flexibility, allow users to write custom JavaScript code in their workflow, and control the flow of data more precisely, its visual interface. They make it easy to present workflow without the need for extensive coding knowledge, so it can allow users to write down script code in their workflow, and you can check your code is written correctly or not. Now, how can you get access of n8n? Simply in the Google search bar, type for n8n, and this one is the first interface that will appear. Now, there are two things you can sign in your account, if you have an account, or you can create your account by clicking on the option Get Started. Once you will click on it, you will see this interface where you will get 14 days free trial after filling this form. Another thing is, if you already have an account, write your account info and sign in, and start your work in n8n, and that's it.